A strange family of shrew-like and hedgehog-like animals, the Tenrecs are mostly endemic to Madagascar, except for the otter shrews of the African mainland. The otter shrews are often included within this family, but are believed to have split from the other groups in the family between 47 and 53 million years ago. Despite appearing like hedgehogs and shrews, the Tenrecs are most closely related to elephants, manatees, and aardvarks. Instead, their similarities to these animals are due to convergent evolution, having filled a similar niche and living a similar lifestyle to these other animals. The family is incredibly variable, with the species ranging in size from that of a small dog to less than the size of a cocktail sausage. Whilst most eat invertebrates, some of the larger species are known to eat small vertebrates such as hatchling snakes and amphibians. The largest of these species is the tailless tenrec, growing up to 39 centimeters in length. Tailless tenrecs can produce the most offspring of any mammal, having up to 30 babies in a single litter. They are entirely capable of feeding this large number of offspring as the mother has 36 nipples, so there's plenty to go around. Despite all but otter shrews now being endemic to Madagascar, the fossil record shows tenrec fossils in Africa from the early Miocene, suggesting that the ancestors of tenrecs likely lived on the mainland before there were several colonisation events of Madagascar, resulting in the different subfamilies. Members of Tenrecinae are relatively large, and whilst variable in body form, all members of the subfamily have spines. In some species, these spines are barbed and detachable, a function provided by a muscle called the panniculus carnosus. Often referred to as hedgehog tenrecs, many species have densely spined upper parts, and like their namesake, curl into a ball when threatened. However, these spines are not just used for protection. The loaded streaked tenrec has a group of closely gathered spines on its lower back, and when they rub together, they can make sounds at ultrasonic frequencies, which are potentially used to communicate with their young as they travel around the dense understory of the forest. This subfamily likely split from the other members of the tenrec family some 36 million years ago. The other main subfamily of tenrecs is the Oryzoctinae. Unlike the hedgehog tenrecs, all members of this subfamily lack spines and often appear shrew-like or mole-like. The 17 species of shrew tenrecs, all in the genus Microgale, are larger and darker in colour. It has also been proposed that shrew tenrecs can echolocate, potentially using the skill to find food. However, the study suggesting this was performed in the 1960s, and even then, the proof was limited. Another genus in the Oryzoctinae is the rice tenrecs, which inhabit rice fields, creating burrows. It is likely the shrew tenrecs and rice tenrecs split from each other around 19 million years ago. The subfamily also includes a singular aquatic species, known as the amphibious tenrec. In addition to the animal's webbed feet, keeled tail and water-repellent fur, the amphibious tenrec has similar habits, diet and body form to water shrews. The subfamily Geogalinae is monospecific, containing just a single species known as the large-eared tenrec. The subfamily is most closely related to the Oryzoctinae, having split around 30 million years ago. The species is found in subtropical and tropical dry forests and shrubland within Madagascar, often becoming torpid in the heat of the day. The species is also known to be heterothermic, which means they switch between self-regulating their body temperature and allowing the surrounding environment to affect it. However, pregnant and lactating females often show their body temperature is maintained at a higher and steadier level.